I wanted to make a quick introduction to the June Book Bootcamp, a TQ experience unlike any other. The document I've linked in this email outlines everything about the experience we're trying to offer. The key here is we want this to be flexible to your professional learning needs around the idea of text complexity and student-wide reading and how to guide our students to read more widely, more complex in a way that they have the most choice and agency. To do that, we're going to use Edmodo, the school learning social networking tool. All of our readings and exchanges will be through Edmodo. You will never need to come to Creek during the summer. You will pick the professional book that you would like to read. I've given you 3 choices, or you can suggest another. Here is what it takes to get paid. One video book talk, which I will have a guide for on the Edmodo page. A shelf card recommendation, which will be very simple description of the book. And another major artifact, which could be a reading ladder, which would be based on one of the professional options. You can also use the qualitative text complexity rubric on teaching books to do an analysis of one of the books you read. Or you can create an original artifact that you've designed that will guide students to wide reading of complex text. These are the genres that are on the book selection list that you'll receive. And here's a little recap of what's provided. We're giving everyone 5 books, 8 hours of flexible work time, and a copy of a professional text of your choice. And what you will make for your classroom, because that is, we want the artifact to be something that will actually be useful in your classroom. You'll make a video book talk, a shelf recommendation card, and then a major artifact like a reading ladder, text complexity analysis, or some other artifact that may be of your own design. You will be able to choose 5 books. The artifact can be based just on one of those. You don't have to use all 5 for these artifacts. That is up to you to decide which book you think you want to highlight for your students. Take a moment to look over everything. Please do make your book selections by Friday, and I'll have your book bags delivered to you hopefully by the first part of May, and I will also be opening the Edmodo group the first part of May, and you can really start this whenever you want between May and the end of June. All right, enjoy campers. I'll see you soon.